Turbo Bot is built for speed. With a full-function remote control including a turbo boost switch. Use Turbo's voice command function to make him spin, dance, explore, or even get him to tell you a joke. Record a message in playback to trick, prank and surprise your friends. Or use the record function to spy on someone and record their conversation. Turbo feels every bump. While exploring, Turbo will avoid obstacles. With a database full of RAD sound effects and fast-talking comments, Turbo is a bot that's full of personality.